In the quiet glow of East Asian gardens, a flower once revered by emperors still holds the power to cool the heat of life, restore balance, and awaken the spirit within. Chrysanthemum tea, a timeless elixir of beauty, calm, and care. Chrysanthemums have long held a cherished place in East Asian gardens, admired not only for their ornamental beauty, but also for their surprising versatility. These dainty, daisy-like blooms are more than decorative. They repel pests naturally, and more importantly, offer a rich tradition of medicinal uses. Among their many contributions, the preparation of chrysanthemum tea stands out as one of the most delightful and beneficial. Available in soothing hues of white and yellow, the dried flowers of chrysanthemums can be gently brewed into a light, floral tea that has long been regarded in traditional Chinese medicine, TCM, as a healing tonic. Today, this ancient remedy is readily available in health food stores, tea shops, and even in bottled form. Yet its magic is best appreciated when brewed slowly at home, steeped in hot water, and savored with intention. The Nutritional Foundation. Despite its delicate appearance and subtle flavor, chrysanthemum tea holds an impressive nutritional profile. At the core of its benefits is potassium, a mineral essential for the proper function of the heart, kidneys, muscles, and nerves. Adequate potassium intake has been associated with a decreased risk of high blood pressure, heart disease, stroke, digestive issues, arthritis, and even certain types of cancer. The tea also contains a notable amount of iron, which is essential for growth and development. Iron plays a vital role in the formation of hemoglobin, the protein in red blood cells that carries oxygen throughout the body. Without enough iron, fatigue, weakness, and poor concentration often follow. Beyond potassium and iron, chrysanthemum tea also offers trace amounts of calcium, magnesium, phosphorus, and even a modest amount of protein and fiber. While not a powerhouse of macronutrients, its micronutrient and antioxidant content give it a quiet strength. Traditional uses and modern research. Chrysanthemum tea's most praised effects stem from its place in traditional Chinese medicine, where it is classified as a cooling herb. This refers to its ability to balance excess internal heat, an imbalance often believed to cause symptoms such as red, irritated eyes, rashes, restlessness, and low-grade fevers. Modern studies support many of these ancient claims, especially regarding its potential to help regulate blood pressure. One clinical review found that chrysanthemum, when included as part of a broader food-based therapy plan, contributed to meaningful reductions in blood pressure among individuals with hypertension. Its cooling and anti-inflammatory qualities may also help reduce systemic inflammation, making it helpful in managing chronic conditions or simply bringing balance to an overworked body, calming the mind and supporting sleep. While chrysanthemum tea is entirely caffeine-free, it offers something more subtle than a stimulant, a calming effect on both the nervous system and the mind. Many who drink it in the evening report a gentle sense of relaxation, making it a lovely companion to a quiet night or as a soothing ritual before bedtime. Unlike more sedative herbs, it doesn't typically cause drowsiness, but encourages a tranquil, alert state, a kind of mindful clarity. This is one reason why it has been used for centuries by monks and scholars, who prized it for its ability to relax the body while keeping the mind sharp. A traditional liver and eye tonic. In TCM, chrysanthemum is often used to support the liver and clear heat from the eyes. Practitioners recommend it to those who experience dry, itchy, or red eyes, particularly after long periods of reading or screen exposure. Though modern research in this area is limited, many herbalists and tea enthusiasts continue to endorse its use for vision support, often combining it with other liver-supportive herbs such as goji berries or dandelion root. An unexpected aid for hangovers. While most people reach for coffee or greasy food the morning after a long night, chrysanthemum tea offers a gentler, more supportive approach. Some studies suggest it can aid the body's alcohol metabolism process, helping to break down and eliminate alcohol more efficiently. It may also offer a mild protective effect for the liver, reducing the oxidative stress that comes with metabolizing alcohol. While it won't undo the effects of overindulgence, it can certainly take the edge off. Chrysanthemum as a natural insect remedy. There's more to this plant than meets the eye. Chrysanthemum flowers contain natural insecticidal compounds, specifically pyrethrins, that have been used for centuries as a remedy for lice and other pests. While drinking the tea alone won't eliminate a lice infestation, chrysanthemum-based products may help reduce the presence of parasites when used appropriately. That said, it is best used as a supplementary measure rather than a primary treatment. Mild antibacterial and antimicrobial properties. Chrysanthemum flowers are also rich in essential oils, and although only trace amounts are extracted during the tea steeping process, these oils have demonstrated antibacterial and antimicrobial properties in laboratory studies. Combined with the tea's mineral content, these effects may contribute to supporting immune health and helping the body prevent or overcome minor infections. As with any herbal tea, moderation is key. Chrysanthemum tea is generally considered safe, but it's wise to start slowly, especially if you've never tried it before. 1 to 2 cups per week is a good starting point, allowing you to observe how your body responds. Importantly, individuals with allergies to plants in the daisy family, including ragweed, marigold, or dandelion, should approach chrysanthemum tea with caution. Allergic reactions can range from mild irritation to more serious symptoms, such as swelling or difficulty breathing. Pregnant and breastfeeding individuals should consult their healthcare provider before incorporating chrysanthemum tea into their routine, as its effects during pregnancy have not been thoroughly studied. In conclusion, chrysanthemum tea is much more than a lovely drink. It is a gentle healer, a companion to quiet evenings, a soothing balm in times of stress, and a link to centuries of traditional wisdom. Whether you seek calm, clarity, or simply a beautiful new addition to your tea collection, chrysanthemum offers all this and more in a single golden cup. So the next time life burns too hot or your spirit feels dim, let the ancient bloom of chrysanthemum guide you back to balance, one golden sip at a time. Thank you for watching and stay healthy.